Colonial stitch is a knot stitch, which I have really come to enjoy as an alternative to the French knot. And the reason why I like it is because you can stitch it in a looser or tighter way. So I'm going to show you here how to do it. You're going to make this backwards C sort of shape. Tuck your needle under the top part of that loop and then wrap the loop around your needle so it kind of looks like a figure 8 or an infinity sign. And you're going to pull the thread against your needle and put it back into your fabric. Now you can make this knot tight like the one I just did. And by the way, I'm using some number 5 pearl cotton. I find that using thicker thread works better when you want to try to do a looser knot, which I'm going to show you here. So you want to kind of do the same motion, but then don't pull it as tight on your needle. So you can do some really fun just effects with this, and it can represent, you know, leaves or hair or bubbles or any kind of, just play with the shape and try in a tighter or a looser way to see the different ways that you can use the knot. Here's a tighter knot right here. I would love to see what you are experimenting with, so if you want to tag me in what you create, I would love to see that.